Well, the Arctic region is of particular interest because it's been warming at about twice as fast as the globe on average. Along with that warming, we've seen a dramatic decline in sea ice. In 2007, the summer sea ice reached its lowest ever on record, about 40% below the long-term mean. We were investigating why the Arctic has been warming so much faster than the rest of the globe. The globe has been warming due to increased emissions of greenhouse gases, but there's uncertainty as to what processes are causing the Arctic to warm that much faster than the rest of the globe. We investigated at what level in the atmosphere the warming was occurring, and what stood out to us was how concentrated the warming is in the lowermost part of the atmosphere near the surface. And from this we were then able to link that warming pattern to changes in sea ice cover over the last 2 decades.